Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add your stepfather to your family members on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your web browser and going to www.facebook.com. Step 2. Once on the Facebook homepage, click on the profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile. Step 3. On your profile page, find the About tab and click on it. Step 4. In the Family and Relationships section, locate the Add Family Member option under Family Members and click on it. Step 5. Now, enter the account name of your stepfather in the provided field. Step 6. From the drop-down menu, select Stepfather as the relationship type. Step 7. Finally, click on the Save button to add your stepfather to your family members on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily include your stepfather as a family member on your Facebook profile using your PC. Strengthen your family bonds and share special moments with your loved ones on social media.